Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix PS4 menu being slow and laggy in 2023. So to get started, the first thing you guys can do is head over to settings, then you're going to go to network, and then from network you're going to go to set up internet connection. Now from setup internet connection, if you have a LAN cable, I would recommend you to use a LAN cable. However, if you don't, you're going to go to Wi-Fi, then you're going to go to custom, and then you're going to simply select the Wi-Fi that you're currently using. Now, once you select the Wi-Fi you are currently using, you're going to wait for this to load. Now you're going to go to automatic, do not specify, and then manual. Now, from here, you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8, and then you're going to change the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now you can go next, go to automatic again, proxy server do not use, and then this should show up internet settings updated. Now you can test your internet connection, check to see if it got better, and you need to give it like 2 minutes for the thing to like fully connect. And yeah, now if this does not work, the second method you guys can do is turning your PS4 off. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your PS4 into safe mode, and you're going to need a USB charger, or basically your PS4's charger, for you to put your PS4 into safe mode. And yeah, and if you don't know how to do that, I'll show you in this video, don't worry. So in order to put your PS4 into safe mode, you have to make sure that the PS4 has been completely turned off. So these blinking lights have to have been like shut off. Now once this shuts off, there we go, shut off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold on the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. That was the first beep. And that was the second beep. Now once you hear the second beep, you can let go. And then safe mode should pop up on the screen. Okay, there. Now, when safe mode pops up, just press the PS home button, home button, I guess. And from here, you're gonna go to rebuild database. Now, the reason for the slow lag, or the slow menu and the lag in the first place, could be because you had a corrupt database, and what this will do is simply rebuild it, and it will delete all the corrupt files. This may take a few hours to even a few minutes, depending on how long ago you did this last. So yeah, just click OK, and then once you do that, the error code should be solved and you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.